Namaste viewers, I'm Renu Tyagi and in this video we will learn about the green revolution or modern farming methods. Children, here in this poster you can see that because of green revolution India become food secure. Food secure means now India do not have shortage of food. India has food secure because of green revolution. So let's start chapter. It is important to you have seen that one way to increasing production from same land is by using multiple cropping. You read in the previous slide that multiple cropping is the method of farming by which farmer can increase production on the same piece of land. The other way is to increase modern farming method, and the another way to increase production is modern farming method. What is modern farming method, children? We will read in this paragraph. For higher yield. Yield is measured as crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. Till the mid 1960s, the seeds used in cultivation were traditional one with relatively low yield. Traditional seeds needed less irrigation. Farmers used cow dung and other natural manure as fertilizer. All these were readily available with the farmer who did not have to buy them. In this paragraph, it is written that before the Green Revolution started in 1960s. But before 1960s, farmer used traditional method of farming. Traditional methods of farming matlab what is the meaning of traditional method of farming? Traditional method of farming used seeds, needs less irrigation. Traditional method of farming need seeds which require less irrigation, and farmer use cow dung and other natural manure as fertilizer. In traditional farming, what were the feature of the traditional farming? Number one, farmer use seeds needed less irrigation. Number two, farmer use cow dung and other natural manure as fertilizer. And all these, the cow dung and natural manure, were easily available with the farmer, so he did not have to buy them from the market. So that is the traditional method of farming. But in modern method of farming, it's green revolution. Green revolution in late 1960s introduced by Indian farmer to cultivate of wheat and rice using high yield variety. What is green revolution, children? Green revolution referred to the increase in production of wheat and rice by using HYV seeds compared to the traditional seeds. What is green revolution? Green revolution refers to increase in the production of wheat and rice by using HYV seeds and using chemical fertilizers. Look at the paragraph. The Green Revolution in the late 1960s introduced the Indian farmer to cultivate of wheat and rice using high yielding variety of seeds. What is Green Revolution? Green Revolution refers to the increase in production of wheat and rice by using high yielding variety of seeds, that is called HYV seeds. H for high, Y for yielding, V for variety, S for seeds. So HYVS means high yielding variety of seeds compared to the traditional seeds. The HYV seeds promise to produce much greater amount of grain on a single plant. As a result, the same piece of land would now produce far larger quantities of food grain than was possible earlier. Means by the modern farming of method or by using HYV seeds, farmer now able to produce more or much quantity or a greater quantity of a grain, the greater quantity of food grain than was possible earlier. HYV seeds, however, needed plenty of water and also chemical fertilizer. What is green revolution? Green revolution means use of HYV seeds. HYV seeds means high yielding variety of seeds, and it's also used plenty of water and also chemical fertilizer and pesticide. So that is is green revolution. Higher yield were possible only from a combination of HYV seed, irrigation, chemical fertilizer, pesticide, etc. It means that only by using modern farming method. What are modern farming method, children? In this, you can see in this diagram, this is modern farming method. Modern farming method, using of tractor, using of tube well or bore well, pesticide, chemical fertilizer, these all includes modern farming methods. So only by modern farming methods farmers are able to produce more food grain, especially wheat and rice. Farmers of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming method in India. And in India, the farmer of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh first used modern farming method. Who used modern farming method in India? The farmers of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh. The farmer in these regions set up tube well for irrigation and made use of HYV seeds, chemical fertilizer and pesticide in farming. Some of them bought farm machinery like tractor and threshers, which made plowing and harvesting faster. They were rewarded with high yield of wheats because the farmers of these two states use modern farming method, so they were rewarded with high yield of wheat. Means they were able to get high amount or a much greater amount of wheat. In Palampur, the yield of wheat grown from the traditional variety were 1300 kilogram per hectare, but with the use of HYV seeds, the yield went up 3200 kilogram per hectare. See the difference, that by traditional variety, by traditional method of farming, how much farmer produced? They did produce only 1300 kilogram per hectare. But by using modern farming method, means HYV seeds, the yield went up 3200 kilograms. See the difference, 32 minus 1300, that is the difference that farmer were able to get by the use of HYV seeds. There was a large increase in the production of wheat. Farmer now had greater amount of wheat and rice. So that's all about these paragraph, and in this paragraph you read about the. And children, this is the summary of the three paragraphs that we read in this video. Look at the summary. Traditional seeds needed less irrigation. You read in the video that there are two types of method of irrigation: traditional method of farming and modern method of farming. What is the difference between traditional method of farming and the modern method of farming? Traditional method of farming, yeah, traditional seeds needed less irrigation. They required less irrigation. Farmer used cow dung and other natural manures, fertilizer. All these were readily available with them, did not have to buy them. So farmer used cow dung and other natural manure, fertilizer. All these were readily available with them and they did not have to buy it from the market. On the other hand, green revolution. What is green revolution? Use of HYV seeds. HYV means H for high, Y for yield, V for variety of seeds. And it required plenty of water. It also required chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Farmers of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming method in India. And the farmer of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh used modern farming method in India. You read, the farmer in this region set up tube well or irrigation and made use of HYV seeds, chemical fertilizer in farming. In Palampur, yield of wheat grown up traditional varieties was 1300 kilogram per hectare, and by use of HYV seed it went up 3200 kilogram. Means by the use of modern farming methods, farmers were able to get much larger quantity of wheat and rice rather than traditional method of farming. Because of HYV seeds, farmer had greater amount of surplus wheat to sell in the market. Because of green revolution, farmer are able to sell the Surplus product in the market means now India become self-sufficient in food grains, or India is food secure means government ensure that not to worry about the food. India has ample amount of food grains because of green revolution. So that's all about the green revolution means modern farming method and the traditional farming method. Hope the topic will clear to all of you. Thank you viewers, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice